Hello everyone, welcome to another CSS video. In this video we will be going over the display element in CSS. So I have this unordered list created here. We just have a couple of items in here. This is how it looks like at the moment. We've got Java, Python and JavaScript, so we're going to just be modifying this a little bit. So firstly we're going to, we want to specify, or we want to edit these lists here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do li, because we want to target the list element. Okay, so Java, Python, JavaScript, that's what we're targeting. What we can use is we can do display. If I type it in correctly, display. And now there's you can see there's a few options that we can use a good bit, but I'm only going to go through a few of them. You can do your own little testing on your own, but I'm just going to do just a couple. So what we can do is we can do inline, for example. What inline does is you can see that all of these elements or these lists or these items in the list, they're all vertical, but we can put them all inline. So if you refresh this, now you can see that they are all inline, and the bullet points also get removed, and now these are all inline. We can also do block as well. So if you do block, for example, refresh this, and now you can see that they're in a block display. The bullet points also get removed as well. Now there's a couple of other things, not a lot that I want to go through in this video, but what we can do is we can hide this as well. So if you do display and we do none, that means we don't want them to be displayed. They just display a none, don't display anything. Now if you refresh this, you can see that they are displayed. Okay, and we can use like JavaScript, for example, to like hide and display like lists or images or something like that. Another way of hiding elements, what we can use is we can use visibility. So we can do visibility, and then we can also do hidden. Here's just another example of that. Go back and you can see now it's still hidden. So that's about it for this video. There is a lot that we can do with display. I'm not going to go through everything, but that's for you to figure out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.